and we are going to move on to Greenville, one of my other favorite markets. For those of you that follow me, you know I have lots of properties in Greenville. Absolutely love the area. Of all the areas that we're looking at, this is actually the closest one in. This is due east of McKinney, where I live, and fantastic history here. Another railroad town. And Greenville's major employer is L3 Technology. They do lots of government defense contracting type work, and they have just seen incredible growth. They have seen a median list price increase of over 7% year over year. The only city that's seen better is Sherman. Population's almost 31,000. Again, great unemployment rate, but they've got huge major employers. I'm going to show you some of those, like L3, Integrated Systems, McKesson, just tons and tons, Raytheon, and really love this area. When I first started building my portfolio, my first properties were Sherman, Denison, and Greenville. So these are really true to my heart. You're about 25 minutes into Rockwall, about 10, 15 minutes into Commerce, 30 minutes to McKinney, about 15, 20 minutes into Princeton. So just extremely interconnected, fantastic area. Absolutely love Greenville. Let's take you on a tour. Now, one of the great things about Greenville is it has two highways that intersect it. And you can get down into downtown Dallas or into Collin County on a just real quick ride down a highway. And so really fantastic location for access as well. Again, another beautiful downtown district. Greenville's in line with Denison and Sherman. Very, very large downtown. Tons of money has pumped into this area. Just beautiful. Again, you'll notice how clean the area is. There's another land and winery. Told you were going to see that one. Now, this is the county seat for Hunt County, and so you'll see law offices, bail bonds, those types of things, because the county courthouse is right across the street. Just love how well preserved and maintained all these downtown districts are, and that they've prioritized keeping that history. It's just so cute. I just love this area. You can see city buildings. Here's entering the downtown district. And that's so cute. Isn't that gorgeous? Your courthouses in this area are just so beautiful, and the churches. So again, massive downtown district. And these are all the areas that we're piggybacking around. Again, you'll notice all the green space. Parks are prioritized in North Texas. We have so many parks in all of our suburbs, not just the ones that we work in. Texans love to be outside. Most of the year, our weather is beautiful. Most of us have pets. And so you're going to see that prioritized in all of the areas that we look at. So now we'll start looking at some of the commercial districts. You'll see all of the shopping, the restaurants, all the things you would expect to see in a big area like this. So not only does it have it all throughout the city, but also all down the major highways. Greenville is extremely developed, as you can see. Again, as a reminder, these are old railroad towns. They've been around forever. So there's L3 Technologies. So again, they do lots of defense work. Major employer, major employer, huge facility. Lots of our tenants work for L3. Great salaries, as you could expect. This gives you an idea of how many people they employ. You can see how busy and how packed they are. A lot of times when we take people by L3, they're floored at how large it is. So here's close to the highway, all the things you'd expect to see. Starbucks. Woo. And again, I want to reiterate, take a look at how clean this area is. You can see how they preserve the tree lines with their development. You can also notice there's no traffic, easy access, lots of development coming in. You can see exactly how much development is happening. This is all shops, restaurants, stores that you're seeing right now coming in. So this is 30. This is the highway that gets you down into Dallas. You can see how well traffic moves in the middle of the day. All the restaurants. Again, Greenville is very developed, just like Sherman and Denison. Sherman and Denison also have two highways that run through them, for those of you that don't know, 75 and 82. One of my favorite things about North Texas, I just got back from California, is just how clean and wide open our highways are. Very, very different than what we see when we travel.